Wow, it looks like Buddy and Zart are best buddies now. What do they have there? Simon, that's my favorite game in the whole world. Let's play it a little bit. Woohoo! I made it past the first level. I can't believe it. I made it past the second level. Oh! Wow. That is such a great game. Here, you guys can play it now. Silly little elves. See you in a bit. Whoa. There's so much glitter. Oh. Where did all this come from? I just can't believe all the glitter. Oh, wow. So beautiful. Zart! What did you do? You ruined my favorite game in the entire world. Simon, you're caught red-handed. You have the hammer. He used a hammer to break this game. Oh, I love that game. Buddy, did you at least get a chance to play it? I hope he did. Let's see if it works. Oh, the elves fell. It doesn't work. Oh, all the glitter must have came out of it whenever he hammered it. Oh, that makes me so sad. Oh. Zart, that was really mean of you. What in the world are we gonna do with you? I just can't believe you would do this again. Well, if you like this video, down below, you're welcome to like it, subscribe to my channel where you can see more crazy and silly things my elf on the shelf do, even if sometimes they're a little bit naughty. Look at all the glitter. It's like magic. Maybe if I sprinkle some of this on the elves, it'll make them happy. Do you think? I think glitter makes elves happy.